If your Raymarine is sluggish, then I might have a good fix for you. It could be that your cache is full and needs to be emptied. I learned this by calling Raymarine tech support, and they walked me through it, and I'm gonna walk you through it right now because there's no video out there that explains this. If you like videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, like it, share it, and we also want to say a huge thanks to our patrons. You guys make this possible. Thank you so much for your support, your encouragement to us. We really appreciate it. So, the first thing we do is we turn on our chart plotter. And after it is turned on, we then turn it off at the breaker. And then we count 5 seconds. And we turn them back on again. When we turn them back on, we start swiping left on the power slide. And just keep swiping left until you get a screen with words on it. And there it is. From this screen, we want to go down to wipe the cache partition. To make a choice, we have to swipe left. That will move the cursor down until we get to wipe cache partition. Then to select wipe cache partition, we swipe once to the right. It says wipe the cache, this cannot be undone. Swipe to the left to choose yes, and then right to wipe the cache. And here you can see down at the bottom of the screen, the cache is being wiped. Once the cache wipe is complete, you want to reboot your system now, which means to select it, you swipe once right. Then your whole system will reboot. That takes about 30 seconds. Then you're going to swipe to turn it off from the power strip. So I'm going to turn it off here, and then after it shuts down, I'm going to turn it on again through the power strip, not from the breaker. Once the system has been rebooted, you should be able to see an incredible difference in terms of the speed. I was able to see about a 60% increase in speed, which is great. My card has a lot of data points on it, routes, tracks, because we've been using this card for over 3 years now, and it's getting really full. So I have backed it up and I can start deleting things, but we're gonna switch to the Pacific card here soon, so no need to do that. But this should really solve your problem of any kind of sluggishness you have. If you're using your chart plotter often, the tech at Raymarine said you can reset your cache about once a month. He said that would be ideal for keeping your machine running without sluggishness. Hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks guys, have a great day. See you next week.